a side plank as tricky. I really enjoy the forearm ones because it allows you to isolate the core on that one side and you get to work on stabilizing through the shoulder. So a couple things between the shoulder blades. If you're kind of against a wall and did this motion, when you pull out, you might feel some muscles back here. So when we raise the arm and take the arm here into a side plank, so we're essentially doing this motion to get those muscles on, okay? When we're in the side plank, the motions that are happening, so I think you've got the modified version you're talking about. The motion that's happening is not just pushing or sagging or trying to like push your body this way. See how this gets really tight? And we're trying to stabilize with up here versus the muscles in the back around the shoulder blade. So I have people try to visualize, first of all, trying to get more pressure across the forearm into the hand. So hand and fist I find helpful because we can actually feel versus palm down, we can kind of lift up the palm. So that's almost rolling our body forward a bit, pushing away. So even before you leave the floor with the hip, you can start to push away. And then notice the difference of how it feels when you push your body back versus using the muscles in here to almost try to pull your body that way. So that's what we're looking for, is we're not leaning back. We're a little bit forward, but we're pressing up and pulling the head in that direction, and then we're lifting. So there's this pulling motion happening to help get these muscles on, okay? And starting to think about that feeling you get when you do this in the back and around the side plank, okay? So holding yourself up is not just pressing, it's also pulling your body that way to get this muscle on and then holding that side plank. So give that a try and let me know how it feels. It makes sense that that right side is the harder one. The left side, we're typically a little bit tighter in the back there.